having quite a family day at the beach. You know, the usual walking around, and we hear something struggling from the nearby swamp. At first, we thought it was a crocodile, but we were surprised to see it was this absolutely enormous leatherback turtle. It was such a surreal moment. Clearly, she was stranded and desperately trying to find her way back to the waters. So all of us guys, we came together and just tried to guide her toward the ocean. She must have come onto land to lay her eggs, only to find herself unable to make her way back. She could possibly have been stuck for nearly, 2 nights. We sprayed her with some water and she was enjoying it. We had always heard these red turtles are the fourth largest reptile in the world. It's true. This big girl was just huge. It's a blessing to be at the right place and the right time to be able to find her and meet her. We were just so excited when she finally neared the water. Everyone was just waiting to see her swim freely. Some of the guys continued pushing her so she could gain the strength to continue her journey. Finally, with one final shove, we managed to get the colossal reptile back into the water, whereupon she swims to freedom, which prompted everyone to cheer and applaud. Absolutely beautiful moment.